Okay, so gagawa tayo ng example ng table of contents sa ating thesis. So, ito yung contents niya. We have title page, approval sheet, certificate of language editing, acknowledgement, dedication, table of contents, list of tables, list of figures, abstract, and then chapter 1, introduction. Kung papansin nyo, naka-bold lahat from title page to introduction, chapter 2, methodology, chapter 3, results and discussion, chapter 4, conclusions and recommendation, and then naka-bold ang bibliography, appendices, and curriculum vitae. Kung binold nyo ang ibang parts, that is already wrong. So make sure to follow this properly kung ano dapat ang naka-bold. So what we're going to do is to insert table. Yung table na insert natin dito, this is around 42 rows or 43, I'm not really sure. Then dalawang columns lang. Yan. So itong first column, we'll call this contents. And then ibo-bold natin ito. And then naka-align siya sa left. And then dito naman sa second column would be pages or page. Then naka-align sa right. And then mag-a-adjust tayo ng size ng page, column width. Make sure na naka-single space lahat ito. So kung hindi nyo alam, just right-click and then paragraph. Make sure na naka-line spacing is single and then spacing would be before is 0 point and after is 0 point. And click OK. So i-highlight nyo lang siya lahat. If you wanna fix it, halimbawa lang naka-double space ito. So i-highlight nyo lahat and then go for a single space, 0, 0 for spacing ng before and after, and then click OK. And after that, once the column or the table is ready, just highlight everything until curriculum vitae, Control-C, that's copy. And then highlight din ito hanggang sa pinakadulo sa row 42 if I'm not mistaken, and then Control-V, that's paste. Naka-center siya, so let's align it left. Then after that, make sure na may spaces in every, or mag-enter lang tayo ng one space. I-bold ko lang yung page. Dito na lang tayo mag-adjust pala. Yan. And then we have the dots na hindi siya naka-bold. Yan. Yan. Then I can copy the dots. Hindi na to naka-bold as you can see it here. Paste lang natin dito. Pag sumobra, mag-delete lang kayo. And make sure na may spaces lahat yan. Para pag later on, pag hinide natin ang bold or ang table, hindi na siya kita. So lahat yan ay i-enter nyo lang isa-isa. Data gathering instrument. Okay. Ready lang natin. So magmumukha siyang double space pag na-hide later on ang table. Yan, that's curriculum vitae. Dito, i-highlight nyo itong part na to. May technique pala para na tayo magulit-ulit. So, it's alignment, bottom, center. Yan. Bottom right pala. Pag naglagay tayo ng pages, halimbawa, yan, automatic naman na bumababa siya. So, halimbawa ito, binaba ko, saka pinaste ko itong dots na kailangan ko. Nag-a-adjust din yung ating page column. So, para mahanap nyo lang, magbawas lang kayo ng dots. Yan. So, ito, i-copy-paste lang natin. Pag sumobra, bawasan. Copy-paste. Pag kulang, dagdagan. Yan. Hanggang sa makumpleto natin yung page number. Sa chapter 3, ang laman nito is the objective. So, actually, ito yung SOP1, SOP2, SOP3. Naka-state lang siya in declarative form. And then, pag masyadong mahaba yung declarative form na statement ng SOP, you can cut it para uniform siya. Halimbawa, significant difference in the job satisfaction. Pwede natin ibaba yung based. As you can see, single space siya. Dito tayo maglalagay ng tutuldok sa baba. Mas magiging maayos tignan pag ganyan. Ayan, so nalagyan ko na lahat ng tuldok and then you just follow up with the pages na, no? At this point na ayaw bumaba nung page 21 para sa data gathering procedure. Ang pwede natin gawin, we can split the table. Dito pala. Split the table here. Yan, bababa na siya. I made one mistake here. Dito, wala na palang tuldok itong introduction, chapter 1. So, lahat ng chapter pages, wala na siyang chapter. Wala nang tuldok, wala nang page number. Kasi automatic, dito siya magtitingin. Okay. And then, pag na-kompleto na yung ating kailangan, you just click the whole table and then hide. No border. So, ang itsura niyan, pag ipiprint mo, ganyan na. Nakasplit yung table na isa, kaya hindi siya nag-carry. So, tanggalin na, highlight ulit natin. Ganyan. So, ito yung pinagkopyahan natin. We can delete this now. And if you look at the page, 2 pages lang ito. Ganyan yung itsura pag pinate nyo. Okay? So, I hope this helps. Kung mapapansin nyo, naka-align lahat yung tuldok. Maayos na maayos tignan. Even the page number naka-align. So, kapag minove mo ito, nagmo-move na rin yung page number. Okay? Pag nag-a-adjust kayo. Take note, ito ay naka-single space lang. So, pag ina-adjust natin, nag-a-adjust sila lahat-lahat. Okay? Yan. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.